Hello, in front of me I've got 70MAI dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to attach it to front windshield. Firstly, let's take a look at this plastic fiber. Right here we've got the tutorial. Firstly, put the electrostatic sticker on the windshield. Remove the cover before use. Next, make sure that the sticker is clean and also the windshield is clean. And once the sticker is attached to front windshield, like this, remove this sticker and connect your dashcam to the windshield in the area that is marked on this sticker. And that's basically it. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.